How to use the power of AI to create videos, build an audience, and convert viewers into subscribers. In this video, you will learn how to use AI to create videos and convert viewers into subscribers. Step 1. Research. Avatar, keyword research, and create a content strategy. Before diving into content creation, it's essential to lay a solid foundation by deeply researching your audience, conducting keyword research, and developing a content strategy. Start by defining your target audience, also known as your avatar. This involves understanding their demographics, interests, preferences, and pain points. By creating detailed personas of your ideal viewers, you can tailor your content to resonate with them on a deeper level. Conduct deep keyword research to identify the terms and phrases your target audience is searching for on YouTube. This step helps you understand what topics are trending, what questions your audience is asking, and how to optimize your content for maximum visibility. Ask yourself, what's your purpose? Why are you creating this content? Just to increase the amount of pink trash on the internet? Usually your why is to get away from a pain or to gain something pleasure. What's your why? Ask yourself, what's my avatar's most desired outcome? What's the transformation they are looking for? These two questions will help you to simplify your entire marketing. You will attract the right people and repel those whom you don't want to serve. Step 2. Video creation. Create your video script. Clone your voice once. Create a voiceover from your script using your voice and generate your video with AI automatically. Using your voice is critical to make your audience feel they already know you. Utilize tools such as a video script by ChatGPT for content structure. Clone your voice and generate a voiceover using your voice with Speechify or 11 Labs. Finally, generate your video using platforms like Lumen 5, InVideo, or Pictory. Step 3. YouTube settings. Creating your YouTube settings can boost your channel's visibility. Use tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy to optimize key elements such as title, description, tags, captions, subtitles, and cards. Most importantly, add a compelling thumbnail to the video to grab viewers' attention. Because it serves as the first impression of your video, encourages viewers to click and watch, increases click-through rate and ranking, so more and more people will see the video on YouTube, and from those, more and more people will click on the video. Step 4. Create short videos. Short videos, also known as shorts, are video content typically lasting from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. They are highly effective for capturing viewers' attention quickly. Shorts are ideal for engaging audiences with bite-sized content and are particularly popular on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms for their ability to drive high viewer engagement and reach. Shorts are ideal to reach new audiences and gain more subscribers. Step 5. Social auto-sharing. Maximize your reach by automatically sharing your YouTube content across social media platforms. You can reuse your video over and over again. You can schedule your content in the future. This way you can maximize the effectiveness of each and every video you create. You create it once and reap the rewards many times. It's like content compounding. You get all the recommended apps from this video. Subscribe to my email list by clicking below. Download my favorite prompts to automate video creation with AI, which I use in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe.